Your CR Stairs handrail kit includes all the hardware and tools you will need to assemble and install your handrail easily. First, slide the base plate cover over the post and then screw all the brackets. Please note that the upper post has lower bracket positions and vice versa. Assemble your handrail on a soft surface first, and if you notice your metal rail is too short, your poles are reversed. When ready, move the whole railing system onto your stairs. Mark the position you plan on installing your post, which should be at least 1.5 inches from the edges. With concrete flooring, drill a hole of at least 3¼ inches deep and use the flat end of the included pencil to approximate. It's okay to drill a bit deeper but not too shallow. With the nut on the end of the anchor, hammer your anchor into the hole and check the depth every once in a while against the base plate to ensure you have not over-inserted the anchor. Once done, secure the base plate with washers and nuts with the nut holder. With wood flooring, pre-drill a hole and use the nut holder to install the lag screw. Once the railing is in place and to finalize the installation, use the self-drilling screws to lock the metal into the brackets. Your CR Stairs handrail is now ready to use.